Let us discuss the laborers in unorganized sector. The unorganized sector of work is that sector where legal provisions do not completely govern. So, as they follow the rules and regulations of organized sector, they need not follow same rules in the unorganized sectors. In this sector, the relationship between the employer and the employee is not guided by any legal provisions. So they need not have such relationship between the employer and the employee. They can take for work, and if they are not satisfied, they can relieve them from the work. There is no need for registration. This sector does not follow the legal provisions of the government. There are no tax provisions here. So all the rules and regulations of the organized sector, they need not follow in the unorganized sector. So what are the works that come under unorganized sector? Workers, loading and unloading workers, brick clean workers, landless laborers, small and marginal farmers, fishermen, beady worker, mine workers, all these type of works come under the unorganized sector. Minor transactions, vehicle repair, selling of goods like vegetables, fish on head, puncture repairers, and others belonging to this sector. So all these pictures you can see, these are the works that come under the unorganized sectors. Let's move on to the important aspect of this lesson, the problems faced by the unorganized sector workers. There is no fixed time or duration for this work. So if the owner is asking come early in the morning, and they have to go, and if they leave in the late evening, they have to go. So whatever the owner is telling, they have to follow. Moreover, they work day and night without break. Very sad to hear such things happening in the unorganized sectors. Most of the laborers in this sector earn daily wages. They are not getting monthly salary, they get daily wages. The minimum wages in this sector usually stays below the mandatory pay fixed by the government. So actually there is a basic pay by the government, but in the unorganized sector they will not follow to give that basic payment. The laborers won't receive any medical benefit or overtime benefit. Any overtime work if they do, they will not receive the extra money, no medical benefits, nothing. They do not get any paid leaves. So if they are taking leave, they have to they will cut the salary. They will not give them the paid leave. These are the problems. Now let's move on to the challenges. What are the challenges faced by the unorganized sectors? First one is migration. In the book Footloose, a study of circular migration is done. So they have done the survey or the statistics or with the unorganized laborers. It studies the labor of people working in unorganized sector. It studies the inevitability of the people to migrate from their place living to place working in is studied in this. So in this book Footloose, they have made thorough search or the research about the unorganized laborers, and they have mentioned few things about the migrated workers. Migration is one of the main feature of unorganized sector. Very specially the rural areas people migrate to urban areas for the sake of work. Laborers of unorganized sector migrate from one place to another place in search of work. So for the sake of work they come to cities. The people who migrate like this have no social security. So nobody to take up for them all the difficulties they have to face. So migration becomes one of the major problem of the unorganized sector. Second one, social security. They have no social security. Unorganized sector workers face social insecurity. Social security means having minimum needs to lead a life like housing. So when they migrate from one place to another place, they will not have any house and proper health, which means from one place to another place, when they migrate, the health facilities will not adjust to one place. water, food, drinking water, equal opportunity to work and like others, it will not be there. Providing these facilities universally and publicly is called as a social security. So all those who are migrating from one place to another place, all these facilities they are supposed to provide, but they will not provide. But this is not available for people working in unorganized sector. Legal framework. For workers working in unorganized sector, many legal provisions does not apply at all. For example, these workers do not receive wages as per their work duration. So, those who come under the unorganized sector, they will not be following all the rules and regulations in the workplace. Anyhow, they will be they will not get any extra money for the work. See, the wages as per the Payment Gratuity Act of 1971 are not available for these workers. Apart from this, they are also not eligible for Provident Fund and other such benefits. So, no Provident Fund, no pension, no paid leave, nothing will be given to the unorganized workers. Next one, child labor. So, the major problem is the child labor. Children also go to work. Children work in the unhealthy environment here on many semi-skilled or unskilled workers. For example, children work in more numbers in firecrackers. That means pataki. They work in that factory. They work in a dangerous environment and without any guarantee for life, with the chemicals, glass factories, very dangerous for the children. And embroidery, their small fingers are very nice to do the embroidery, so they hire the small children and train them. Later they have to face a lot of problems. The capitalism expects more work from less pay, so children, if they are hiring, they can take more work and give them less money. Children become victims of this greed. In nutshell, unorganized sector fosters child labor. So unorganized sector people employ the small work, means the children. Physical and mental exploitation. In the unorganized sector, very specially, the workers are treated very badly. Most of the women in unorganized sector work as domestic helpers. That means work in houses. The rate of physical and mental exploitation of these women has doubled these days. Everywhere we see this exploitation. As per the statistics of 1415, more than 70% of the women work in unorganized sectors. Women are exploited sexually. Such incidents are being reported on regular basis. Some of the problems faced are discussed here. So you can see here harassment, dowry deaths, dowry cases, and all these come under the unorganized. So nobody to ask these unorganized sector people, means the owners. So very badly they are ill treating the unorganized sector workers.